Can't decide if you should be social? Maybe you're one of the 75% of dental practices that already use social media to build your business. Or maybe you're still on the fence about whether or not social media is worth it. Can't decide? Hi, I'm Zanya Winans, founder and CEO of Golden Proportions Marketing, one of the largest and most experienced dental marketing agencies in the country. Let's take a closer look at what you should be considering before making a commitment to a social media marketing strategy. There are probably 4 really good reasons for using social media and 2 equally good reasons not to. The first reason to use social is to attract new patients. If you're thinking that just about everyone and their neighbor is on social media, you're right, and most of them aren't your patients yet. Your current patients are also important, and social media can give you a great way to keep in touch with them and top of mind outside your office. They'll love to see pictures and updates from their favorite doctor, assistant, hygienist, or admin person. A big part of your brand is your personality. Social media can be a great opportunity to let people get to know you and your team on a more personal level. That's something that doesn't really come across in your advertising. If you consider your search engine results important, then social media can help with that. It's not that social bots scan your social media accounts. They're not that interested in you. But they do get some ranking clues from the amount of traffic your social accounts will send to your website. Even though there are only 2 main reasons not to use social media, they are pretty big ones. Social media only works if you create good content and share it on a consistent basis. And that takes time. If your day is already somewhat hectic and you don't have at least a few minutes each day that you can devote to social media, then you may want to think twice or get outside help from someone who is really good at it. Hint, hint. Money is also a consideration. Yes, Facebook and Instagram and all the other social platforms to use are free, but that doesn't mean using them for marketing won't cost you anything. Until you have a strong following, you probably won't see any real results without paying to get your message out there by boosted posts or paid social ads. So, if the 4 reasons to go ahead with social media sound great, go ahead, dive in. And don't forget, we'll be happy to help you out with any time and cost concerns you may have. We even have a handy resource, the ultimate guide to social media marketing for dental practices, to get you started. Click the link to get your free copy today. Thanks for watching.